You were looking for the word to attend, right? So this is what you were saying. I had to attend a situation, okay?
Mhm.
So now forget if instead of searching for the word, we actually should think about the image in your head and then describe that image rather than looking for a word.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's try that. Let's try that. Instead of saying I had to, is it attend, right? Try to just describe the 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 image in your head.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
for example,
Okay. I'm sorry about I'm late because I need to continue speaking with my last consultant because the parents have a new a new
describe the
news
image. Yeah.
news
Yes.
news about they want to enroll in a new school.
What's wrong with that word? What's wrong with that word? What was wrong with it? Nothing,
Yeah.
right? I need to continue with my consultant.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong. You were instead of thinking of the word, you have another way around it, which is actually probably just as good, if not better.
Mhm.
Okay, so really
Yeah.
good, really good. Okay.